Welcome to Analytics Home. In this video, we'll be discussing about the filter functions in Python. The filter function in Python is a built-in function that allows you to filter out elements from an iterable, such as list, tuple, or string. I guess this is very explanatory. If you have a list of elements or a tuple or maybe a dictionary as well, and then you want to filter out that particular list by a specific condition, you can use the filter function to do that. Okay, so the filter function has just two parameters, which is the function and the iterables. The function basically takes one argument from the iterable and returns true or false, while the iterable is just simply what you want to filter, like the list or the tuple and thereabouts. So let's do an example. For instance, we have a list of elements and they want to filter out the even numbers. So let me say even numbers from a list. Okay, so I'll define the function even should be none, and then return none. When 2 divides the number, remainder should be 0. That is what I want. And then let me say I have a list of numbers. Let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, for instance. So then I want only the even numbers out of this list. So to do that, filter, the function is even, and then the iterable is the list. So when you display this, you'll be given this a filter object to see the actual value. Convert this to a list. So if you run this, see the actual even numbers. Okay, then you can use a lambda function to achieve this same thing. Let me say, for instance, filter, and use the lambda function. If you don't know anything about the lambda function, I'll drop the link in the description down below for you to watch a video to understand exactly what lambda is all about. So let's say we have the argument x, and then the expression x modulus 2 equal to 0. This will be our function, and then the iterable will be the list. Okay, so for us to be able to get the actual elements, convert this to a list. Okay, so you can actually use a lambda function to replace the function here to filter your list by a specific criteria. So the next thing I'll show you is applying the lambda function with multiple condition. Let me say, for instance, I want to find the even numbers from this list and numbers that are greater than 5 than 5. This is what I want to do. So to do that, say list filter lambda x modulus 2 equal to 0 and x greater than 5. So this is applying multiple conditions to a lambda, and then the iterable is list. So if we run this, we'll get even numbers that are greater than 5. So this is basically how to do it. And then let's try another example using a dictionary. So if, for instance, I have a list, let me say details, and then in the dictionary I have name, let me say ng, and then I have age 24. Oh, comma, and then I have another list, name, let me say you, then age 27, and then let me go back in. Then let me see another, have another dictionary name, then age 20, for instance, and then I want only names that are greater than 20. So let me define my function. Let me say above 20. Let me say name, then return name, name. Name greater than 20. So let me use the filter function. Filter, the name of the function is above 20, comma, and then the list is details. So if I run this, oh, sorry. Okay, this is not supposed to be name because name cannot be greater than 20. Error, supposed to be age. And then let's run this now. Okay, exactly. So it has given us the dictionaries that are greater than 20, that have age greater than 20. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in your next video. Bye.